Xara is a good product that you want to recommend to other people if you want to build your design career. I know that you find this tutorial very good and very simple. This creativeGrace, your creative designer. Right now, just stay tuned and follow us as well what we are going through the lessons. Firstly, we open the Xara software. It's already installed. So if you want to install it, you can just Google to download the Xara Products. You can get a trial versions, then try and see, or buy the full version. Yeah, Xara is a good product. So it's opening. Depending on your system, the speed of your system and the things that you're opening on, that is whereby Xara will run faster. But this is the default. So let's check on the Xara. This is the interface of Xara Designer. As we're getting started, you see that what is an amazing, powerful, all-round creative tool that you can use it for your graphic design, your web animations. It has a whole lot depending on whatever you want to do. Firstly, simple interface in Xara is this one. That's the simplest interface that they can ever give you. They made it very simple for us. So this is the title. Yeah, it has been opened. It's in tabs. So this is the first tab, the second tab. That I've been opening a lot of tabs. This is where I have a lot of my works over there, the work that I've done. So it's all what's in tabs. So we are here. That's where we want to start right now. And we are on how to getting started with Xara design. How to get started with Xara. Yeah. So firstly, know of your tools. When you open the file, you get new, you get a lot of things: open, close, save as, save all, import, export, a whole lot in Xara. When you want to print, you can come to here and print. You want to change the page options, then you can change the page options. Yeah, and we have the arrange. That is where you have the copy, paste, duplicate, clone, and page duplicate, a new blank page. Yeah, then we go on to arrange. That is where we have the ordering. Yeah, simply I will teach you how to make a simple ordering tab over there so that you can use that standard to do. Yeah, it's better. Going to arrange and all that is stressful, so it's simple that you can get a tab. So the next one is your insert. You can insert some of the things, image from your scanner, from your capture screen. So a lot of things from camera, from the file, from stock photos on the internet. Yeah, you can get it, and you can input your shapes on Xara too. Yeah, this is basically that. And we have the utilities. That's whereby you have your galleries. The galleries are here. When you check on the right side of your screen, you have the galleries. Yeah, in Xara you have the galleries. When I put on the galleries, you see that these are the galleries. Yeah, you have the color gallery, page and layer gallery. Xara comes with layers. Yeah, if you're not careful, you not see it goes with layers. And the bitmap gallery, line gallery, font gallery, and designs, fill. All of them has its own, but we go through one by one. Then we have the share. You can share it on the Xara. That is there. If you have a Xara account, you can share it on the account, their crowd, and they do hosting too. You can share it on the host. Then we go to the windows as well, where you have a lot how to view your quality, the bars. Yeah, that you want to see your ruler, animation bar, and other things. Yeah, presentation. Yeah, alignment and all that. The print borders, lines, and all the work that you want to do. You can take control of your work over there. And the help, you can get some of the help menus over in Xara, or directly go to online, or you can come here to update your Xara. Then let me check my Xara. So this is it. I'm using 2020 as the current one in Xara. So Xara is a good product. So before we go on, let's go through some of the work that I did with Xara, so that you have the desire to study it, to learn greatly from Xara. Yeah, firstly, this creativeGrace, still on it, Xara Designer. So these are some of the works of Xara. I go on. It's very creative. You have to add up your creativity to it. So basically, these are some of the works made with Xara. Xara is a good product. I use Xara for all these works. It's all up to you to develop your skills. Yeah, so I did animation on Xara and it was so useful. Basically, this is Xara Designer. This is our interface. To get started, this is what our new documents, that's the standard bars that we have. That is how we want to add a new document. So when you click on it, it will just open. Yeah, if you want to open a file, you click here, it will open. Then you locate your file. But another thing, this Xara gives you some backups. It gives you backup whenever you are working. It gives you a lot of backup, so you can set your backup to the time that you want. So anytime that you want, you can, it's automatically backup 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, as we are doing it to give you some backups in case of any shutdown. Then you get your files. So you just click here and you open to a new document, or you come to file, then you come to newsletter, depending on your country, like the US letter, or you want to do presentation, you pick the presentation as in the form of PowerPoint. If it's animation or photo, blank photo, then you choose. Yeah, but basically it's on design. So design will contain a lot, like pictures and all that. So you have your tools over here, and you have your save. These are your toolbar, the tools. Yeah, and you have your save. Then you come to your insert duplicate of a page. Then you come to the copy and paste your menu, that's the flyout. Then when I come here, you see cut, you see copy, you see paste at the same position, paste attributes. Yeah, it has a lot. Paste position, yeah, paste size, all that. Xara has a lot of functions. Yeah, and we have the delete, undo and redo. Yeah, and you have a lot, that is the width. There's talking about the line when you draw a shape. Here is talking about what the line. So you put it there, you see that is what set line width. Then we come to the zoom factor of it. Then we come to the quality of the picture. That is where you can get it here. That's where you can view quality. Yeah, so you can change it, you can use it here, or you go to Windows, then you come to view quality. You can change it to any quality that you want. And then we have the magnet. That is the magnet. I call it magnet, but snap to objects. Yeah, when you are using it, it helps you to align objects together. That is Xara for you. And this is a preview, how to preview what's current website. When you're doing a website, it's a preview for you that you want to preview. It's basically, these are all what's on the website. You can choose to remove them or still maintain them. Yeah, you can add more to it. When I come here and I right click, I can add up a lot of things to it. So I've the advanced website, so I will do designing. So I will need the align and arrange. Okay, so I'll put them on automatically to come on. Just right click anywhere, then you choose. So these are the standard toolbars. The one that we went through is the standard toolbars. Yes, please. And we are on. We have the feathering. There's a feathering. Yeah, we have the info bar. This is the info bar. The moment that we pick any tool here, the info bar will change. Yeah, here you can you can use to select the handlers and rotate an object. Here you can edit a handler, that is show object handlers, so that you can adjust it. And here is about the fill, the fill handler. When you fill an object, is whether in a picture, that is the handlers will show. And this is the rotation handler. It helps you to rotate. And we have our x and y axes, then the width and the height depending on the sheet. And right now we have also the lock aspect ratio, and then we have the angle, that is rotating angle. You can rotate it to anywhere that you want. Yeah, you can rotate it to anyone, that angle of selection. Then we come to the square angle of selection. Then you have the flip, vertical and horizontal flip, horizontal and vertical flip. We have it over there. So we go on and on and on. So basically this is Xara Design. So I'm using my control plus my scroll to reduce it. That's why you can't see it. My holding control and my scroll on my mouse, so that I can use my zoom tool to scroll out, then I can draw around it to get it. So what about if I want to set up a page? Yeah, basically if I want to set up a page, I will come to file, Then I'll come to page options. Then I choose the type, the page size that I want. So the page size is for Facebook posts or Instagram, web design, whatever people that you want. If I want to enter in, I'll just come to custom, then I enter in, I click OK, then I'm done. Okay, going on to the tools. So basically this is the tools that will be going on, and we have what the select tool. It comes with what the vein, and we have this range of tools that is under what we have the origin painter. Then it's automatic backup, that's why it's backing up. The magnetic lasso tool. Then we come to rectangular origin tool. Then we come to the max painter, and then we come to the view max. All of them will go through one by one. So these are basically the tools. So these ones I'll consider it on the photography tools. These tools I'll consider it basically on the photography tools. Yeah. Then we have the enhance tool, the click tool, then Chrome and magic erase. When you come to pictures, you understand it more and more. Then we have the picture here too. Then we have the effects painter. Then we have the red eye remover. Then live effects. Okay. Then we have the content photo resizer. Then we come to brightness levels, dialog. Then okay, so we come to the eraser. After that we come to the drawing tools. I call it the drawing tools. These tools I call them the drawing tools. Okay, so the drawing tools, right? First one we have the freehand or brush. Then we have the straight line. After that we have what the shape. Then we have the shape painter. After that we have what drawing that the rectangle, ellipse, then star. Any of them, when you click on any of them, you see the tools. So we are going briefly on all of them. Then we go on one by one. Then we have the text tool. After that we have the fill tool, then the transparency tool, we have the shadow. Then when we come here we have the range of products, range of, like I'll say, tools. When you come to the flyouts, anyone that is what will happen, this arrow at the right side corner down is what it's a flyout. You get a lot of flyouts. Yeah. So let's come to this one. That's the bevel tool, then the blind tool, then the contour tool, then the mode tool, then the 3D. So that we come to our zoom, that we have the zoom tool, the hand, then the previous zoom, then the zoom to 100%. Any of them that you want, you can choose. Here is what we have, what we call it gallery. Yeah, we have gallery in Xara. So we're on the galleries. We are on the galleries. We have the page, what's layer gallery. When I click here, you give me the layers. Yeah, and when I come here, now we'll get what's the other gallery. That's the basement gallery. Then I come here, I will get the line gallery. Then I come here, I'll get the fill gallery. Then the text or fonts gallery. Now come to my color gallery. Then I come to my name gallery. Basically, this is where what's your color is. You get your colors over here, but it's not all. Yeah. So this is Xara. Xara is so good. It's so wonderful. And it's a great tool for all designers that we need to use. Yeah, Xara is a good product. Xara is a good product. If you want to be a professional, as we do our works, creativeGrace, we do our work. We always recommend Xara for you. It's the best products. We'll be going on and on. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be giving more updates on the designs, how to create conceptual designs, how to let people follow you on your designs. You let your designs capture the mind. Yeah, designs will capture the minds of people. So it's good. Thank you. Subscribe.